Good morning, guys. Good morning from the Royal Botanical Gardens. Well, one part of them. This is the Valley Inn pedestrian bridge that was closed for over 2 years. Very inconvenient. We used to come on the other side. Now it's fixed. It's open to the public again. So we can enjoy, let's say, as Hamiltonians, the quotes paradise in our area. So today I was downtown taking care of business and said, why not? Let's see the new bridge and the new access to Royal Botanical Gardens. What you see there is a program they have here at Royal Botanical Gardens. This is the Christmas tree recycling. They use the actual Christmas trees, the real ones, not the plastic ones. So let's say they have drop-off areas where people go and drop off their Christmas trees after they enjoy them. So let's say they use them to make natural barriers within the water, within the lakes, to separate, let's say, the various kinds of fish. This is a way, let's say, to filter the fish around here. So let's say they do something about it. They just don't, throw the Christmas trees away. Beautiful place, beautiful place. It was long overdue for the bridge to open so we can actually come from Hamilton, from down here, not all the way up there, Lake and Garden, and back down there and here. It's beautiful. Thank God it's open. I don't know what the weather is holding for us, but we're here. Let's go further in and then let's get back. Start getting back, riding back, because let's see, I don't trust the weather. There was a rain forecast. Let's see.